Everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. If you haven't seen the video yet, I would suggest you hit the link at the bottom. It shows you how I actually painted the screen using our new ECLIPSE Invisible Black Silver Nano using smart technology gain times 12, color enhancement technology times 4. Also, the screen paint is weatherproof. It is 3D and 4K ready. Now, let me show you what we have here on our projection screen. Now that it's dry, because when I did it when it's wet, there's a lot of glare coming off the screen when it's wet, but now that it's dry, or somewhat dry, you get a better idea exactly how amazing this stuff looks. There is no pros needed when you're doing this. No pros at all. Alright, so also really quick, let me show you. So what comes with your kit is a Wagner 150 paint sprayer. I actually have mine right here. Very easy to use. The reason why I chose this paint sprayer because it has a small compressor, very easy control sprayer, doesn't have a bunch of dials all over it, very easy to use, very easy to clean. It comes free with your kit, including blackout cloth. So 2-quart kits will come with a 10 by 12 and 1-gallon kits will come with a 10 by 20. The 2 gallons will come with 2 of those. Alright, so let's show you what we got here for our screen. We have United States Postal Shipping box. We have a piece of wood. We have the foam matting that you find in gyms, dojos, sometimes in nurseries, or preschools and so forth. We have over here a piece of plastic. Actually, it's this right here. Let me show you. This is what we use. This is actually what it used to be when we coated it. That's falling over there. We have the same vinyl used in projection screens, fixed frame screens of vinyl material. We have it right here. And then over here we have the plexiglass. Alright, first things first, we're going to pick up our screen. And we're going to put it over here so you can see it when the projector hits it. Get this to set just right. Right, there we go. We're going to come back here. Our ViewSonic projector is sitting around 10 feet back from the screen. I have the same screen upstairs at around 14 feet back, and it looks absolutely incredible. Alright, so let's come over here and get everything set up just right. Alright, and let's begin. Now the screen behind it is actually a platinum slate. I'll show you the angle gain. And this gives you an idea that you can coat and turn anything you want into a projection screen. There are no pros needed to do this. Paint your pre-existing projection screen, paint your motorized projection screen. Does not crack, does not peel. Now you decide you want to go out and buy yourself a cheap 1.1 white gain projection screen and coat it with this formula. It's going to look fantastic. Also check out the bottom of the comment sections. I will be posting the screen I have upstairs. Alright, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. I'd like to thank you all for watching.